Long ago, a powerful language called assembly emerged, bridging human thought and machine understanding. With symbols and mnemonics, humans could command the digital universe. Assembly language is a low-level programming language that provides a symbolic representation of machine-level code. It serves as a bridge between hardware instructions and higher-level programming languages. Each assembly instruction corresponds closely to a specific machine instruction, making it easier for humans to read and write. Key features of assembly language. Low-level language. Close to hardware, offering direct control over the CPU. Symbolic representation. Uses mnemonics, symbolic codes for instructions. Example, move, add, sub. Registers and memory access. Directly accesses CPU registers and memory locations. Processor specific. Assembly language is specific to the architecture of the CPU, meaning instructions differ between platform like 8086, ARM and million instructions per second. Efficient and fast. Programs written in assembly are highly efficient but require detailed hardware knowledge. Now we can move to the basic elements of assembly language. Instructions or mnemonics represents operation like arithmetic, data transfer, branching, etc. Example, move AX, BX. That is, move contents of BX to AX. Registers. Small, fast storage units within the CPU. Common registers in 8086 include AX, BX, CX, DX. That's all our general purpose registers. SADI, SI and DI, index registers. SP and BP, stack pointers. Operands, the data on which instructions operate, can be constants, registers or memory addresses. Directives, commands that instruct the assembler but are not executed at runtime. Examples include DB, define byte, DW, define word, ORG, set memory origin. Labels, symbolic names for memory addresses, making code easier to understand. Comments, document the code using. Example, move AX, 10, load value 10 into AX. Next, we can move to different assembly language instruction categories. First one, data transfer instructions. MOV, load, store, in, out. Arithmetic instructions. Add, sub, MUL, DIV, INC, DEC. Logical instructions. AND, OR, XOR, NOT. Control transfer or branch instructions. JMP, unconditional jump, JE or JZ, jump if equal or 0. Call a procedure. Next, shift and rotate instructions. SHL, SHR, ROL, ROR. Next, we can check the advantages of assembly language. First one, efficient and fast, optimized for maximum performance. Second one, direct hardware control, ideal for system level programming like operating system development and device drivers. Third one, small program size. Programs take minimal memory space. So, next we can check the disadvantages of assembly language. First one, complexity, hard to learn and prone to programming errors. Second one, non-portable, platform specific, requiring rewriting for different CPUs. Third one, time consuming, development takes more time compared to high level languages.